9 Wants to Know has learned that a Colorado parole officer is facing serious allegations of forgery and fraud. He's accused of changing paperwork to keep parolees locked up longer than allowed by law. Investigator Jeremy Hohola found out one man may have been illegally locked up for 6 months because of falsified documents.
A law enforcement officer responsible for parolees is accused of breaking the law himself.
Parole Officer Wells' conduct is egregious.
9 Wants to Know has obtained this scathing report written up by a Colorado Department of Corrections internal investigator about one of its own. It says Parole Officer Jeffrey Wells of Grand Junction had held parolees in jail once they were arrested longer than allowed by law.
The Department of Corrections has violated the constitutional rights of our clients by unlawfully incarcerating them.
When a parolee is arrested for a violation like a failed drug test, parole officers have 10 days to file paperwork. If not, the parolee should legally be released. The internal investigator accuses Wells of falsifying arrest dates, keeping parolees locked up longer than they should have been.
One of our clients has been held for in excess of 6 months.
Now, 4 parolees are suing the Colorado Department of Corrections.
This is devastating to the lives of our clients. Their ability to find work, to become productive members of society, affects their family, their wives, their children, their mothers, their husbands.
The Department of Corrections will not talk on camera and will not say if Wells is facing any discipline. It said in a statement it has an expectation that all of its employees will conduct themselves with honor, integrity, and professionalism. Attorney Siddhartha Rathod says it's unclear why Wells was apparently lying on paperwork.
He was committing the crime of forgery and false imprisonment. And this is not just our client saying this. This is the Office of the Inspector General saying that Parole Officer Wells and the Department of Corrections have falsely imprisoned our clients and have committed the crime of false imprisonment and forgery.
And we found out this afternoon this case was reviewed by the district attorney in Mesa County last year. A spokesperson for the DA's office says they could not prove beyond a reasonable doubt that there was criminal intent within those forgery allegations. And in the meantime, Adele, the Department of Corrections said vaguely that it has implemented some short-term measures to take care of this issue. All right.
Did they say specifically what those were?
We didn't get a response in the meantime, though we also learned that Officer Wells here was named Employee of the Quarter.
Interesting. All right, Jeremy Hohola. Thanks a lot, Jeremy.